Hi guys, welcome back to another Carbos FC video. Today we're going to be doing a pack battle. We're going to be doing these 4 packs, and then we're going to get the codes that we got from those 4 packs, and then opening 4 virtual packs.
And at the end, we're going to see which packs give us the better cards and determine who the winner is. All right, time to open these packs up. Liverpool goalkeeper, let's see who that is.
Here's the code,
which we'll be using to open the packs later.
We have Tadic, Trent Alexander-Arnold,
Lamer,
Rodriguez, Merle, and a Alisson Shootout Superstar.
Wow, that's a great card. The Brazilian.
Now for the second pack.
As you guys may know, Ederson won the award this year for having the most clean sheets in the Premier League, but Alisson, the other Brazilian for Liverpool, he won the league, so I'm sure he's much more happy about that one.
Here's the code. Oh, we got a Coutinho Gold Limited Edition.
No way! Wow, that's a lucky pack, guys.
Abraham, Depay, Gimenez, Vanaken, and Unana.
All right, time for the next 2 packs. Wow, a limited edition. I didn't think we'd be seeing one of those today. That's exciting. Coutinho, of course, on loan to Bayern Munich from Barcelona this year, and I believe next year. All right, here we go. Pack number 3. First, we got a code. And we've got Superstar Striker Jesus, Lloris Captain, Vinicius Jr. Rising Star, Huang, Neres, and Julian Brandt Super Boost. All right, time for our last pack before we do the virtual packs. It's got Ramos on the cover. Here we go. There's our 4th code for later. We've got Gnabry, Superstar Striker. Limer, Squad Update. Sadio Mane, Club Hero. Okereke, Tagliafico, and Toni Kroos, Super Boost. All right, so we got 2 Super Boosts, as well as a Gold Limited Edition and a Shutout Superstar. Now let's see what we get from our virtual packs. All right, now guys, we are in the app, and it is time to scan the codes for the virtual packs. Here's our first one.
So there's Felipe, Terrier,
Okereke,
Ramos Captain, Gundogan, Messi. Barcelona midfielder, who it? It's Frankie de Jong.
Time for our second pack. So no shiny card in that pack. Alright, let's see who we got in this one.
We've got Tagliafico, Felipe, Sanchez, Engel, Ederson, Henderson, and Insigne Super Boost.
Alright, so we did get a shiny card in that one. Now let's see who we get in our last two. Wonder if we can pull a 100 club. We've got Fazio, Walker-Peters, Cavani, Paulson, Salah. Ooh, 2 inserts. We got Mo Salah 100 club. Wow.
Salah.
And Kevin De Bruyne limited edition.
Limited edition.
Wow, so I think just on that pack alone, it put the digital packs ahead of the packs we opened. Wow. Time for our last one. And we've got Torres, Chicharito, Saka, Denayer, Leimer, Jovic, and the Valencia forward. It is Rodrigo, MVP. Not a shiny in that one either, but guys, that one pack with Salah 100 Club and De Bruyne was pretty special.
Alright guys, that was the virtual packs. Please comment down below what you think is better, the virtual packs or the real life packs.
We hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more Card Bros FC videos coming soon. Bye!